Mama?
Yes.
Mama? Mama? I'm here, Mama.
Yes, Diku, what are you doing? Did you finish your homework?
Yes, Mama. I finished my homework.
Yeah.
Mama, can I play for some time? Can I take your
Yay.
mobile, Mama?
Mobile? No way. I am not going to give you the mobile.
Mama, please.
I
Why
have
please,
kept a
Mama?
book to you, Jiku. Can you just open the book and check? You can play the book. You can play the games that's there on the book.
Mama, book?
Yes, can you just open the book and see?
Yeah. Mama, it's a nice book, Mama.
Yeah.
Wow.
Explore yourself.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, please help me how to play.
Sure, Jiku. Open the book for me.
Yes, Mama. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Shoma. I'm from Orchid BTM branch, and today I'm here to present our game. So let's hear.
All right. So now that we just saw the model of the book that we are talking about. All right. Here's our game, Dlala Jumanji. Jumanji is a game where the child will get engrossed by playing the levels in the game until he reaches the final level to take his presents. So we have about 6 levels in the game for the child, which is say the number, string the number, hunt the missing number, how many, ring the correct number, and fish the puzzle. So the child goes on to the first level of the game where he recognizes the number, picks up the card, and he places the number in order. Once he's done with this level, he moves on to the next level where he gets to string the number. So the child will pass the string or a thread through the number loop in sequence. So once the child is done with this, he will move on to the next where he hunts the number, wherein he finds the missing number. And so on. He moves on to the next level where he finds the sum of two numbers and gets the correct answer to move to the next level where he recognizes and finds the correct number by counting, and he puts the ring on the correct number. And then it's the puzzle for the child in the 6th level where he picks few cards to form a picture of a fish. And that's it. It's his takeaway. So we're going to explain this in a better way. When you look at the model, you will understand better. So Soma, is the model there with you? All right.
Yeah.
So as I said, this is a game called Jumanji where the child will get lost in the game. All right. But when he comes out, he would come with a lot of presents. All right. And this is basically done for, a recap session. Before we give an assessment to the child, we've planned this kind of a game instead of, doing it orally. We've thought that this would help a child to, go through this game and understand it better. So the first page where you'll see Soma's arranging the numbers. So the child will pick up the numbers from the pouch from the book, and he checks the number and he arranges the number in the sequence. So he completes this level. All right. And he also recognizes the color and the shape of the numbers. And he moves on to the next level of the game. All right. But before he moves on to the next level, there's a short recap for the child. When you look at the tree on the left page of the book, he gets to do a small recap again, all right, of counting the numbers, and moves to the next level of the game. And in the next level, the child picks the string and he strings the numbers by putting the thread inside the number loops. So he does this in sequence. He goes from 1 and ends at number 10. So when he successfully completes this game, like what you see teacher Soma is doing, the child would just go on by, inserting the thread in the number loop. And he successfully completes this level and he's all set to move on to the next level. So the next level where the child gets to find or hunt for his missing number. So if you see, there are beads here kept for the child to count the number. And there are also some numbers kept in the pouch. So the child will pick up the number. Okay. He can either place the numbers according to the beads, right? And he picks the number from there and finds the missing number and places the number in the correct place. So with this, I would pass on to Soma. Yes, Soma.
Yes, thank you, Vidya. So after finishes this part, then they will move on to the next part. Next is add one. Next is add one. So for that, here smiley stick is there. They can count with that. So here one bird is there. Is visible? Okay. 1 plus 1. So 2. Numbers, all the numbers is here. So they can collect the correct number from here. And also they can use this stick for counting. So 1 plus 1, it's 2. So they have to find out the correct number and they have to place. Same way they have to do the next numbers also. And when they complete this part, then they can go to the next level, that is count and identify the numbers. So ring is there and strips is there. So they can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 4. So they can place the ring on number 4. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 6. They can place the ring on number 6. And our final and next part is puzzle. That also they have to follow the number sequence. So first they have to take out number 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have to place that one. After that 5 and 6, 7, 8, and last 9 and 10. So here is our game and nicely they completed. After completed, they can take the takeaway and they can move on.
Okay, ma'am, the time is
Hi,
up.
Mama.
Hello.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much for this lovely game.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, Mama. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Nicely presented, both of you.